Faster speed with USB 3. 0. USB 3. 0 ports offer transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, 10 times faster than USB 2. 0. This 7-port USB 3. 0 data hub can instantly expand one USB 3. 0 port to 7 external USB 3. 0 data ports for keyboard, mouse, printer, hard drivers and other USB devices. Smart charging ports. 2 extra 5 volts, 2. 4A charging ports supporting 2. 4A output specially designed for ultra-fast charging. Charges most USB charging equipment, regardless of large batteries such as smartphones or tablets, or mini battery equipment such as smart portable devices, at full speed. TP-Link charging technology intelligently identifies connected devices, automatically delivering the fastest charge to your smartphones, tablets or devices with a USB charging connector, minimizing charging time. Protect both your equipment and your data. A720 has a sophisticated circuit design with multiple overheat, overload, overvoltage and short-circuit protections. A built-in surge protector keeps both your devices and your data safe in the data transfer process. UH720 supports hot swap USB ports that can be safely connected and disconnected while the computer is on and running. Plug and play. No drivers required for Windows 8. 1/8/7, Vista, XP or Mac OS X and Linux systems. Backward compatible with USB 2. 0/1. 1 and current transmission speed is limited by the settings of the connected device. Manufacturer's 2-year warranty and 24/7 technical support. Top reviews from the United States. Best to get if using with a Raspberry Pi. After some searching around and being burned by other USB 3. 0 hubs. This is the only one I got so far that would play nicely with the Raspberry Pi 4 computers I owned. All the other hubs I tried would fail in cases with lots of I/O tasks, such as what might happen if using the Raspberry Pi for data storage.